How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Multi-Section Monday. With this Monday, we're coming to you with the model by the name of the Hobby House. What makes the Hobby House so special is it's just that. It is a craftsman haven. It has plenty of countertop space, plenty of storage space for your next home. And it all starts right here in the main living area. As you can see, we have plenty of space, an abundance of space to fit a full-size sectional. You can also fit a couple chairs in here and have enough space to entertain all your guests. If you guys follow me, we're going to keep a word in this house the whole time that I do this walkthrough. It's called flow. Flow with me right here into the master, what we have right here on this side of the room. As you can see, guys, you have plenty of space right here. It is so much room in here for a California king. You can put another chair over there on the side. The options are endless. If you look right above, we've got a nice window bringing in the natural light, making this feel larger than life here in your master. It's going to make it where you never want to leave this side of the house. And it ties perfectly into your walk-in closet that is right here to the side. And there's plenty of space in here, guys. You have enough space in here to hang all your goodies, have enough space for your shoes, everything you need in here, guys. Plenty of space in your master. If you follow me this way, we're going to continue to flow right into your master bath. And guys, look at this. Plenty of countertop space, built-in sink. And guys, we're going to start off like this. I know there's been a situation where you've been late for work, you've been late for church, and say husband and wife had to get ready at the same time. You didn't have enough air to do it. Your kids are tying up the other bathroom. Guys, we've got it right here covered for you. If you look behind me, you got a nice bathtub with a shower. So this is perfect for if you want to have a nice bubble bath or you want to have a nice shower at the same time. And continue my story. If you look right over here to the side, we also have a nice step-in shower. 2 showers in your master bath, guys. We're going to make it where you're on time to that next event, and Mr. Tiny's got you covered. You follow me right this way, and we're going to continue to flow right here into your laundry room. Guys, it's perfect. You got an exterior door accessing right here on the back. That way, if you come in, kick off your shoes, you're a little dirty, you come right into your master bath, or you take off your clothes, throw them right into your laundry. You guys got enough space right here for full-size appliances, your washer and dryer right here with plenty of storage above and to the side. Now again, guys, what we're saying, we're staying with the flow. We're going to flow right into your kitchen. And guys, look at this. The colors are gorgeous, guys. This is perfect for that person that likes a nice modern feel, that has that nice airy feel to it. You look, we've got white appliances, making it nice and airy in here, clean look. And you got plenty of countertop space with the island. Got the side-by-side refrigerator with the ice in the door. And plenty of countertop space and cabinets galore, guys. We got cabinets everywhere, all the way around, guys. Follow me around. Got it right here. Got a nice sink with the window right above for you to look out onto your property. And what I like best about this kitchen area is it ties perfectly into the dining. It's an open concept, and you got a built-in desk right here, guys. Enough area for you to entertain your guests in the dining area. If you have a few more people over than you thought, you've got enough space right here to also put a couple chairs and have an eating area as well. And when you're here by yourself and you don't have the guests, it's a nice area for you to get on your laptop, get on your iPad, and have enough space to sit up there and do all your work. And guys, we're going to continue to flow. We're going to flow into the other side of the house. We've been on one side. This is what I like about it, split floor plan. And it's going to lead you perfectly into your guest bath. So you look right in here, and it's pretty large, guys. Look at this. Look at all this room you get in here. Get a nice, again, shower tub right in here as well. Got plenty of walkability. Got everything you need in here, nice linen closet. Perfect for your kids or for your guests whenever they come over. And guys, don't give it away, cameraman. We got a room right here at the end that we're going to show them. We're going to save that for last. But first, we're going to start with these 2 rooms. You've got the first of the guest rooms right here. Great size rooms, guys. It's perfect for your kids. And if you got kids that like to argue over who gets the bigger room, we've got it covered. They're already big, and they're large enough at the same size for both kids, so they don't have to fight over that at all. And guys, bring it in. This is the secret part. This is why we call it the Hobby House. Look at this section, guys. Where you can name a house that has this in here. I don't know. We might be the first to do it, guys. Look right here. As you can see, you got plenty of countertop space, plenty of cabinets. You got big cabinets, small cabinets, big drawers. You got small drawers all around here, guys, for your convenience. This is perfect for the person that likes to sew, the person that likes to paint, the crafter, anything you can do. Also, guys, Mr. Tiny's trying to save you money and make you money. I know the ladies out there likes to sell lip scents, likes to sell Avon. You got enough space right here to do everything. You can have a nice display center right here. And if you look right beside, we have an exterior door right here so you can have all your clientele coming to the side of the house, walk right into your display center, and hey, you make that money, baby, because you got to pay for this house. You got it? Come see Mr. Tiny. I'll get you right, guys. We're going to follow right this way, and we're just going to give you this nice aura of this house and show you how larger than life this house actually feels. Keeping that nice airy feel, guys. You're going to stop right up in here, and I'm just going to tell you guys, I appreciate it. I thank you for watching. And remember, when you come into Recreational Resort Cottages, ask for Mr. Tiny, and I'll get you a deal that you can't refuse. You guys have a great day.